We're at DeWitt Perry Middle School to bring you a 2018 bond construction update. Joining me from Core Construction is Gary Anderson to give us an overview of what the next phasing steps will be and what we've done so far to ready this building for this new upcoming construction. Gary?
Thanks, Bobby. Like Bobby said, my name is Gary Anderson, Vice President of Core Construction, Texas. We're really excited to be serving the district. We've got an incredible project here at DeWitt Perry Middle School. We've been mobilized since May 1st of this year, and this summer we're really focused on mobilizing and getting our students into a portable village, which Bobby will speak to in just a few moments. But we spent this summer acclimating ourselves to the site and getting prepared to make sure that we can keep teaching students throughout this school year. What we've done is mobilize 62 classrooms where all students have an equitable learning environment, all teachers have an equitable teaching environment. It's just after Labor Day, and we've actually moved all students into the portable area and will now begin the major demolition activities and are focused on a completion of August 2022.
On the inside of the campus, we made sure that we delineated the difference between construction site and where class can take place. In the cafeteria, we walled up a section off that'll block construction from everyday usage, as well as the gyms and locker rooms. And in the fine arts section, kids and staff will still have access to the band halls, orchestra, and theater rooms for the duration of this project. We also made sure that our administration team and libraries had a temporary home that students could access to make it feel like a normal campus. We converted the old karate building into tip admin spaces, library, counseling suites, and even a teacher's lounge for staff to go in and take their breaks. As far as this phase of construction goes, we've been working on demoing out some of the old areas, the old library section, some of the older classrooms down by the SPED area have opened up as we make way for this new phase, which we'll describe in the upcoming videos as far as what we're doing with foundation and slab rework. Well, thank you for tuning in to this bond construction update. We're excited about the progress we've made so far, and we look forward to what's coming ahead in the future months. I want to thank Core Construction and our architects VOK for all their hard work and effort they put into making this project take off. We're especially thankful for our community, our staff, and everyone involved in making sure that this is the most successful project we have here in CFB.